If you want to disable the Google Feed page on the home screen on OPPO Reno 15, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option or switcher that would allow you to just simply get rid of the news page over here. But what you can do, well, you have two options actually. You can tap on the Google profile, Google account in the upper right corner. Then in here we can choose settings, and if you go to settings, then we can scroll down and choose other settings in here, and you can deactivate this cover option. While it will not completely remove the Google Feed page, it will remove all the news articles that we have on that page, so you can get rid of them like this. And there is actually a way to disable this Google Feed page on the home screen. However, it has certain drawbacks. So if we go to settings, then over here we can go to apps, and then in apps we can go to app management. We need to find Google app in here. There we go. And then we can disable the Google app. Now the drawback is that if you do so, you will get rid of certain Google features as well, like Gemini, Circle to Search, and probably some other stuff. But this also deactivates the news page, as you can see over here. You can actually re-enable Google app in here again, and the news page or the feed page is still not there. So as you can see, we can disable and re-enable the app if you want to get rid of the page. However, another thing that is of course another drawback is that if you, for example, restart your phone, then most likely the news page, well, definitely the news page will be back. So you have to then go to the apps settings again and disable the Google app. But that is pretty much the only thing that you can do. Or you can just use a custom launcher, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.